guys, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the part 2 of my hair story. Okay, so in this part, I'm gonna reveal everything about my hair that you need to know. And third part, which is ultimate hair care routine that I follow and I have been doing post and pre and everything. So stay tuned, alright? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your girlies so that get an idea and it helps them out. Right? Let's begin. Okay, so my haircut. It's actually a mixture of two haircuts. It's layers in the front and you at the back. I didn't want a straight look at the back because I have wavy hair texture and it doesn't suit that hair texture. I got layers in the front and the layers are the blooming beautifully because of the wavy hair texture that I have. But also if you have straight hair, layers do look very beautiful in that as well. Now coming back to the point, I was very clear. I blended on like two haircuts because it just popped into my head that this would just suit me and it will look beautiful. And trust me, it does. Now, this is not the haircut that I got. This is just for the styling purposes that I have did my hair today. Okay, now the color. I have opted for chocolate brown. Now, the fact that the chocolate brown that I was eyeing for was actually quite a different shade, but it's just the inspo, right? So it totally depends upon the company and the people and the hairdresser that are actually doing up your hair. Also the company of the colors is what I meant, and also the shades. It depends upon the mixing factors as well, also the pre and the post factors that come in, and the final color that is deposited upon your hair after fading. A mixture of all these factors that add up to your color. So talking about the chocolate brown that I have opted for, it's not close to what I've shown them, but he promised me in another inspo that I showed him off, okay, at least if ये color नहीं आता है तो ये color हो जाएगा. He said not exactly, but I knew that not exactly, but 19-20 उधर उधर, but this is completely different from what I wanted in the first place. Now coming back, this is with the ammonia. Now अगर आपको ammonia free color चाहिए, ask them. I asked them, but I don't know, bato bato mein they just convinced me somehow for the ammonia one, and I also agreed because okay, chalo. इतना कुछ उस वक्त समझा नहीं मुझे, बाद में realize हो गया, but for you to be safe, just opt for ammonia free colors, okay? Don't listen to them. The shade that I got is absolutely beautiful though, but only thing that I didn't like about it is it has some copper tones, and after fading for a while, it will get a bit more copperish. Apart from that, it's a blend of two shades as I told you. One is a beautiful honey brown kinda, it's a warm brown, and the other is a bit darker, so that it's a blend, and that sums up pretty much the chocolate brown shade that I got. Now, the haircut, as I told you, layers in the front and you at the back. It's very difficult to distinguish what I have generally done because इतना समझ में नहीं आता है. If I don't tell you what exactly I've gotten, you won't be able to figure it out because I've seen the confusion in a lot of people when I told them before telling them and after telling them. So I know this with the experience that I've had. Nobody was able to distinguish what I've done with my hair. And also that the fact that now after the haircut, I already have a Allen Truman brush that I ordered a month back. So I basically style the front layers and the portion that I want, just the front portion, and I keep the natural base at the back because usually after 2-3 days the hair just sets in and it blooms up beautifully. So I don't find the need to style my entire hair after washes. Also depends if I really have something popping up, I would really love to style my entire hair. Otherwise, no. I use a heat protectant before styling my hair. It's from Bare Anatomy. I don't know if it's good or bad, but a heat protectant is a heat protectant. I've read a lot of good reviews about it. I'm still trying, but I don't think it's damaging my hair. So I think it's basically working. Coming for the post care part after the color. So yeah, nourishment is must. Thorough. The hair care routine that I've been following and I follow, it would be uploaded in the third part. So stay tuned for that part, okay? So why did I opt for ammonia? As I told you, बातों बातों में समझ नहीं आया. If समझ आता तो मैं ammonia free ही opt करती. But this is with the ammonia. It hasn't damaged my hair at all at this point. It's been a month now, and yeah, I have pretty thick hair and healthy hair. So I don't think that they will do much harm if I maintain it and if I take care of it. Now coming to the post care part, you need shampoos that protect your hair. अगर आपका shampoo if they promise you कि आपका कलर 6 महीने तक जाएगा, तो ट्रस्ट मी, ये शैम्पू मतलब 4-5 महीने तो चला ही जाएगा फेड होते होते, बट दिस शैम्पू कैन एक्सटेंड द uh, longevity of the color that's been deposited upon your hair. Now, if you're doing keratin, if you're doing Botox, if you're doing nanoplasty, if you're doing Cystine, anything, first you have to color up your hair, okay? And then this thing has to be done. But trust me, don't do it. The treatments, the chemical treatments, no matter what they say, no matter what they sell you, don't. Just don't. I've been there, I've done that. No. Now, haircut. Yes, you should get haircuts. I think you should definitely try different cuts and maintain them. See, you get a haircut and then you come back and then you cannot maintain it, you cannot style it, and then you cry about कि क्या फायदा है बस एक ही दिन ऐसे दिखता है like 2 to 3 days, and after wash it's the same. But I would say its beauty will last if you take care of it, correct? I mean, the pre-care that you have to do, if you have brittle hair, if you have frizzy hair, nourish it first, make it healthier, and then opt for hair color, because hair color can literally make your hair more dry and damage it. Also, the chemical treatments. Also, don't go blonde if you are having breakage, if you have brittle hair, if you have frizzy hair, and if you have had harsh colors deposited before and you have a history with coloring. Don't opt for blonde. And if you opted for blonde, just don't suddenly come to coloring and stuff like that and treatments like that. Protect your hair, nourish your hair, make it sustainable enough to take the damage, and then go for it. Now, yeah, apart from that, I think my face structure or my face symmetry is oval. So this hair can suit, the haircut that I've chosen can suit oval and circular faces, because see, oval and circular faces का क्या होता है ना, chin के नीचे don't keep the curtain bangs or the layer that you're getting. Do it everything in this portion, in this length, because अगर हम इसके नीचे like यहाँ तक अपना first layer, I mean the curtain bangs or the first layer, in the front, if you're keeping it below this, trust me, just weighs down your entire look and it looks really ugly. मतलब इतना कुछ खास नहीं लगता है. The haircuts don't really make your look up. So जिनका भी फेस मेरे जैसा, if you have an oval face shape or circular shape, keep your layers within this length, that's all. इसके नीचे थोड़ा भी जाता है तो चलता है, you can trim it afterwards if it grows this long and stuff. Now, when you're getting a haircut, as if you've seen my hair length which I've shown in the previous video, I opted for the length was this. But वो जब उसको they are framing up the layers, they are building up the haircut, यहाँ तक बोला था तो वो यहाँ तक आ गया. So जब भी आप उनको एक स्पेसिफिक लेंथ देते हो, थोड़ा कम ही का थोड़ी ज़्यादा लेंथ रखना, आई मीन फॉर अ सेफ साइड, एंड आस्क देम टू चॉप ऑफ. लाइक इफ यू प्लानिंग दिस मच हेयर टू बी चॉप्ड ऑफ, tell them this much. ठीक है? On a safer side. Always work on the safer side with your hair. There can't be re-attempts, right? Now, coming back to the point of hair colors, um, I literally am a person I'm crazy for browns, but chocolate brown is something that maybe until and unless I get the perfect color that I've been looking for, I won't be satisfied. But this color has been just a month. The haircut has just been just a month, and trust me, with each passing day, it just looks amazing. I am maintaining it. I am keeping it that way, which I think is most suitable and should be kept, and that is why I think they are nourishing and flourishing the way they are. Now, coming to the fact that chocolate brown that I opted for, it's not exactly that, and also not the inspo that I showed them. It's different shade, but I don't have any complaints, except from the fact that I didn't get the chocolate brown that I was opting for, and the ammonia thing. Now, coming up to the cost, I told you 1,500 for a haircut. And I don't think it's that much of a deal, like 1,500 for this haircut, but okay, depends upon salon to salon, person to person, and you know, people to people. I got this done in Pune. The hair color, so the total costing approximately some 12K, and upar se shampoo and stuff. Now comes the part, if you have dry, brittle, damaged, treated hair, there are different shampoos, there are different products that you would need, and you definitely do to take care of your health. But मैंने कोई treatment नहीं कराया है, so I don't need that. I just opted for a color protection shampoo and a mask to nourish my hair. Apart from that, जो मैं करते आई हूँ, जो मैं कर रही हूँ to take care of my health will be revealed in the third part. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, share. Now coming back to the part, so you know what I would suggest? First, get a haircut. To be on the safer side, please trust me, get a haircut. And फिर 4-5 दिन बाद जाके hair color करा लेना. जो मेरे साथ हुआ ना वो आपके साथ नहीं होगा, बिकॉज दे लिटरली दे रन द साइकिल एंड अ लूप ऑफ बिजनेस. दे वांट प्रॉफिट्स एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट मनी देयर. सो वो क्या करते हैं ना कि आपका जो लेंथ होता है ना, बोलते हैं कि हमने लेंथ के हिसाब से कलर लगाया है, बट ट्रस्ट मी इट्स ऑल अ मार्केटिंग गिमिक दैट दे प्ले. तो मेरे जैसे मत करना. आई फर्स्ट ऑप्टेड, आई वेंट, आई सैट देयर सिली विदाउट getting much info. I know they do this, but I forgot somehow. एंड पहले हेयर कट करा लेना, ठीक है, फिर एक हफ्ते बाद जाना फिर कलर करवा लेना. ट्रस्ट मी, पैसे भी बच जाएंगे. एंड हाउ आई टेल यू, अगर आप उसी दिन कट कराते हो एंड कलर करना चाहते हो तो पहले वो आपके पूरे लेंथ को कलर करते हैं. बताते हैं कि नो इट इज़ जस्ट ब्लेंड्स इन वेरी नाइस एंड लुक्स वेरी नाइस एंड दिल सेल यू स्टफ. बट क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ेगा यार. तुम कलर करवाओ, फिर बाल काटते हो, फिर बोलते हो कि इतना कलर कंज्यूम हुआ है तो उतने के पैसे लिए. एंड फिर कटवाते हो, जो बाल आप कटवाते हो वो तो कलर वेस्ट चला गया ना. उनका प्रॉफिट होता है, आपका लॉस होता है. सो डोंट फॉल फॉर दैट ट्रैप. टू दिस, नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द डिफरेंट फेस structures and hair textures and what color should you opt for, I'll be showing it to you, okay? And stay tuned for the third part. And those who haven't watched my first part, I urge you and I request you to go and check it out, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much everything about the haircut that I got and the transformation. Yeah, bye bye. Take care. See you up in the next video.